Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am your teacher Miss Sitwat. In this lesson you will learn about subtraction. Subtraction when you take something away. So here are some examples. Let's start. Two birds are flying home, but one bird has flew away. Oh, there is only one bird is left. Means 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Wow! 3 aeroplanes. One aeroplane has gone ahead. So there are only 2 planes left. Means 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 4 cute chicks. But one chick has gone away. So children, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now homework, you have to solve these sums and send it to me. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.